Good morning everybody, it's Proctor here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to check if you have a bad battery or a bad alternator. Okay, so this car right here actually has a bad alternator, so I'm going to show you guys how you can find out. It's very, very easy. So what you're going to do is, this car is actually on the jumper cables right now, so I'm just going to undo those. Okay, now here's how you're going to tell if it has a bad alternator. Right now, it's running. In order to check if the car has a bad alternator, you're going to unplug the battery while the car is running with everything off, like all the lights off, everything like that. And if the car stays running, it's your battery. If the car dies, it's your alternator. It may take a little bit of time for it to die though. Now let's find out. We're going to undo the battery on this one. If it dies, it's the alternator. If it runs, it's probably your battery. Oh, see, already it's dying. Yep, alternator shot. See? So this one has been diagnosed that the alternator is bad. Now this one, if I undid the connections in the battery, it would still keep running because the alternator is still good. That is how you check if your alternator is good. Just unplug the battery. If it stays running, it's your battery. If it dies out, it's your alternator. Thank you for watching my videos.